Morning Year 6, welcome to Maths. This lesson's a little bit different. It's a revision lesson, and therefore it's going to be fairly self-directed. Now you may go through all of the activities in one session, or you might want to split it over 2 sessions, depending on how confident you're feeling. Everything in this revision session we have gone over in the previous lessons about triangles. So you also have those videos that you can go back to and rewatch and refer to and practice. Before we move into the questions, I'd really like you to have a look at this. Here's some examples of some maths that I've been receiving, and I wonder what you think needs improving. Take this question. It says draw a triangle that has an area of approximately 15 centimeters squared. And I think my question to this mathematician is, how can you do that without putting it on squared paper? I have no idea. None of the sides are labeled. Not sure what this is. And here, drawing triangles. How about this one? So a whole load of answers and no reasoning and no context. Never. So if this is yours, never what? Can you remember now? Sometimes. Be careful of the spelling. What's this? A 0.20 centimeters squared? Unsure. So here this person feels they've been successful. There's the equation, although I'm not sure what the equation is. We've got area and then we've got some numbers. I don't know what these numbers relate to, and they don't look like they're numbers that relate to length, because there's no units of length there. Are these area or are these lengths? Areas or lengths? Look at this one. Similar to that example. Draw triangles with this area. Don't have a grid. So if you look in your maths books, there are lots and lots of grids. Moving over here, what makes these good examples? So this was a tip we had. If for a particular question you need the diagram to refer to, carefully put it in your book. There it is. We've got workings out here. We've got the right units, centimeter squared. So we're definitely talking about area. But workings out here. Look at this one. The area of the triangle is 50. So the area of the shaded region would be 50. The only missing part there is that should be 50 centimeters squared. I think that then should be 50 centimeters squared. Some nice diagrams here and some reasoning diagrams here. Look, there are errors, but you know you'd expect that in maths. I think the date could also do with a friend called learning objective. Other than that, you can see this person's working through it. They're using their book. Some methods here, methods there. And this one, look, some purple polishing editing here, in addition to calculations. So have a go at making your maths the best it can be. So as you go through today, pause whenever you need to, and you're not going to hear a lot from me. I will also convert this to a PDF and send it out. But I really want you to get to grips with the area of the rectangle, of the triangle, sorry. So it's well worth another hour of your time, I think. So there was some of the mathematical talk explained with an example, what you understand by each question. So there's some questions, and there are some further questions. So I'm going to go through now. Pause when you need to do your working out in your book, show your workings out, and make sure that your answers are relevant to the question. They answer the question and they have the units that are required. Well done, Year 6. Now, whether that takes you one session or 2 sessions, work through them. And after the check-in on Thursday at 9:30, I will stay online, and I can do some support work with anybody who would like that. And then on Friday, we'll find an opportunity to also pick up some time to do some support work, and that is most likely to be around about 11 AM. So if you want either of those, do let me know. Happy revising. Stay safe. Take care.